You want a modern open kitchen. Why? Probably because you like the open feel. You like the space, the breathability, the relaxation that it creates. Perhaps maybe it feels kind of luxurious to have the tall ceilings or the slab front doors on the cabinets, or whatever the case may be. What are some of the things to consider with a large modern open kitchen? Well, here's some of the challenges. A lot of people are loving to get away from wall cabinets because maybe they have a lot of windows that they want to enjoy natural light, but then they have an island and then there's nothing above it for storage. So all your storage is now dependent upon what's available in the base cabinets, or perhaps you have a walk-through pantry that everything's in there, and that's fine too. You just have to consider these factors. But almost gone are the days of having a lot of upper cabinet storage space in these modern open kitchens. Maybe you're using floating shelves. The challenges with those are they don't adjust. They're fixed. I'd love to see some company make floating shelves that you can notch down or notch up. That'd be kind of cool, but right now I'm not aware of anything right now that is offered. The other things that you have to pay attention to too, because of that, your real estate oftentimes is spread out, which is what people like. The large format islands, do you want to have that much space to work with? Sometimes if the island's too big and you're having people sitting on the back of the island and you're trying to prepare food and maybe serve you or yourself or your friends or whatever, maybe it's too far to reach. Small detail, but just pay attention to some of these things. With the big, large modern kitchens, people like the waterfall edges on the end of the islands. Those are beautiful, nice and clean, and very, very consistent in today's trends. The downside, of course, is that it's much more permanent. It's more expensive, of course, but it's a beautiful look. And on top of this, people want to have a lot of lines without a lot of interruption, a lot of subtleness to it. They don't want a lot of detail and maybe texture, but not a lot of, say, cabinet detail, ornamental detail. The challenge to that is that your surfaces now become more and more important, that they are, I would say, blemish-free. So if you have a long plank cabinet door or paneling on the walls and it's flat and you've just got it broken up in very, very large segments, say 5 foot by 2 foot or something like that, the challenge is that surface material, any discrepancy or blemish in those settings becomes more and more visible. Okay, so texture and architectural detail on your materials and grain and pattern, all those things help to hide not only starting blemishes and issues, but also long-term any issues that might happen from a nick or ding or scratch. Okay, so there's a lot more upkeep when you're going with a lot of flat, plain material throughout a space. So I hope that helps you in your consideration for a modern open kitchen. If you have other questions, put them in the comments below. I will answer them personally, but please subscribe first so that we can bring you more content like this. Thanks for watching.